Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. How's it going? Welcome. I'm sorry I had to cut the London stream. I do apologize. But it is what it is. Anyway, I don't think I missed too much with the London movement here. You know, Moses, hello, good morning. Shenanigan, welcome back. Good to see you again. Alicia, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Norbert, hello. Yeah, everything is okay. I thought it was not, but it is. Troy, all right, at the big liquidity level watching are. Yeah, we are for sure. Everything is okay. Yeah, I just had to, my father wasn't feeling well and he had to leave his car on a gas station. And anyway, I had to go and visit him. But I mean, he called an ambulance, but he's okay. Doctor said it's okay. All is good. I need to get his car from the gas station. Good morning, Albert. Good morning. Yeah, Gabor. Yeah, all is good. All is good. He's okay. He was just very dizzy. He couldn't drive the car, so he had to leave the car on the gas station. I told him that you need to call an ambulance because he couldn't get into the car. I said immediately call an ambulance. But everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I had to get the car too. Couldn't leave it there on a gas station like that. All right. 29. Are we going higher? It's like 20 points up there to that high. How about that? You're short TP at 45. Oh, you're going. Okay, you're looking for these levels down there. Okay, we're going to check for those levels. We're going to check that. We're going to check that. I'm still watching a level up here, so I really don't want to say anything against the shorts. There is a February 12 supply zone up there. So on the 15-minute. 15-minute supply zone. 15-minute supply zone. So that level is up there. Now, how far is that? It's not that far. I mean, yeah. Let's see. Distance is almost 200 points to get up there. Sweeping the highs before New York. I mean, this one, 139 is easy. I think it should be done. I'm not jumping in. But 139, pretty much close. And I'm going to be looking for some zones here as well. There is a demand zone lower. So that is a 1-minute demand zone. Okay, that's fine. Hey Daniel, yeah, all is good. Everything is fine. It was just a family emergency, but I got it taken care of. All is good. I had a long on NQ at 625 EST, but Denisa, yeah, this was a strong move, by the way. I wasn't expecting it either. Okay, so we have another level down there. 84, that's a 3-minute level. Nothing on the 4. Oh, sorry, nothing on the 5. Nothing on the 4. Okay, so we have these two levels here. Both 3-minute and 1-minute. So Okay. I don't know how to put this here. 1 minute and 3 minute zones are down there. K-Bell, hello. Welcome. Okay, because it's 6:25 EST, but do not expect such a breakout. 6:25, look at that. Yeah, that was a nice trade there. Question is, are we gonna take that buy side at 139, or is this going to shift the structure to the downside? You know, that's the big question. And while we are at it, let's all make sure to smash the like button, please. Let's all smash those likes and let's see how it goes. All right, let's smash the like. Let's make sure that the YouTube algorithm sees us, because that's the goal ultimately, right? So thank you so much. Thank you for doing it. Smash those likes. Oh, and by the way, we just went over 9,000 subscribers, by the way. Amazing job, guys. Amazing job. Over 9K subs. Thank you so much, everybody. Hey, Twister, what's up? Ron, come on, shift that shit. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to do it or not. Thank you, Shift. So let's all smash it. Do we have some news? Do we have any major news? Nothing. Not much. Analysis gold. Let's check out gold. I haven't really looked into it anyway. We swept some lows, obviously. Funny thing is, on the 5 minute, look at that. That the 5 minute has a the 5 minute on gold has a demand zone down there. So that's a 5 minute demand zone starting at 5170.5 on the micro. So that is really interesting on the 5 minute. I like this level, to be honest. This level I like. It's really good. On the upside, we just swept a fair value gap right here. So we swept that level. What if this is a reversal and we're gonna go down? You know, what if this was it and now we can go lower? So you got to be prepared. But on the 5 minute, there's nothing up here and in terms of zones. On the 15 minute, still nothing. 4 minute, nothing. 3 minute, there is one on the 3 minute though. Okay, there's a 3 minute supply zone up there. Okay, that's a gold 3 minute supply zone starting at 52.21. Now, if we're looking for a possible buy here, I would say let us wait to shift this fair value gap here. So that's a 5 minute, that's going to be a 5 minute CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. So let's just say we put an alert like here on gold. Okay, for example here. Once price moves above this level, could be looking for buys above that level. You know, just an idea. looking for buys above that. Until we're staying below that level, and this would be the target, I would rather be looking for some sell-off here. So let's just wait. I think it's still pushing higher. Anyway, let's wait for it, shall we? That's what I see on gold. This area is just a congestion. For now, at this very moment, I wouldn't do anything. That's 100% sure. I would not trade gold at this very moment. So that's what I think. Do you think it can reach Monday's high again today on NQ? Or gold? I guess you're referring to gold, right? Yeah. Today? Yeah, gold. Monday's high on gold. I don't know. The problem with that is if I don't see a zone, and this is only my idea, if I don't see any zone here, there's nothing, absolutely no zones right there, I would see that as a low probability draw on liquidity. So I don't know. Even if we go up there today, I don't know. That would be like, I mean, we did see gold move like $100 a day, so that's definitely possible, technically. But like, you know, but I don't see anything. I don't know. I don't feel like we can get way up there. I think if it takes out the zone, it could be. So for that scenario, if it would be really bullish on gold, this is something I can see. Like it goes up, you know, it's pushing, blah, 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 goes higher, and then it's going to go through the zone, and it's just going to go and do something like this, you know. And this could be stretched out all day. This is something I can imagine. Maybe. But I don't know. Okay, NQ shifted on the 3 minute, shifted on the 1 minute. NQ is shifting, guys. Oh, Terry is here. Oh my gosh, everybody. Terry is here. Have no fear. Hey, Terry. Welcome to the channel. How you doing? Hold on, let me guess. I think Terry, she's doing her makeup, curling her hair maybe, or ironing her hair. I don't know what's the exact terminology right now, what's happening there, but or she's practicing for the next debate in front of the mirror. So something like that. Cheesy balls, hello. You're welcome. And listening to me. It's so good to see you. I am so tempted to jump into a short, guys. My gosh. I think I missed my opportunity here. I don't know. Did I miss my opportunity? I don't know. Let me tell you guys what I think I missed. Debate practice, right? So awesome to have you here, Terry. So there was a market structure shift. There, it's almost like a classic ICT entry, right? Bearish market structure shift. We had the sweep. We have some good targets down there at 84. You know, anything is possible. Anything is possible. And just to make sure, I'm seeing only 25 likes. We can push it to 50 or 60, guys. Let's push it to at least 50 or 60. That would be the bare minimum, at least. Let's all do it. Oh yeah, news wise, let's see. Not much. We have FOMC members for later at the market open. We have FOMC member at 9:30. In my time, it's going to be 3:30, but 9:30, and then later on. So yeah, at I think it's going to be at 11 a.m. and then in the PM session. So that's all we have. Nothing super special happening for now. For now. So yeah, about this fair value gap, it looks great. Kind of gives us a possibility to take a short. Maybe I should take it. Do I have an account where I can take it? What would be the risk? What would be the risk if I want to take this trade? All right, so be it. One small risk trade, I guess. I think we can do that. I'm gonna risk about $150 on this one if it would go lower. Hold on, which account is this gonna be? I don't know which account to take it on. It should be good. I mean, sorry, I've already taken it. My mistake. Already being taken. Kiran, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. So it's a small risk trade. If we go above the 132, obviously it's over. So why is it not staying above? Always colors, line, axis, window, always on top. All right, now it's on top. Vera, hello. G Trading, yo. What's up? And Mark, hello. Welcome. And CK name last what? Nickname last name what? Hello there, welcome. Sorry, I butchered your name again. Okay, let me put a stop here on this one because I think it just might go higher. But anyway, no problem. I need to put a stop on this. Yeah, it should be somewhere up there. So buy stop there and kind of hoping for the 86, but it's not going up, man. It's not going up. I might gonna kill this trade. I might gonna kill this trade before it gets any worse. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this. Yeah, I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I'm sorry, guys. I can't hold a trade like this. It's just so, you know, it's a tricky one. It's just a real tricky one. You know, you never know. I think it just wants to break that 139. Look at that. I think I made the right decision of closing it. Maybe there's some news coming into the market. It was a small one. It was a small position anyway. Some news is hitting the market, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What's the high? 139. What's the high on the mini? I'm just curious. The high on the mini is... Oh, that was also there. Oh, anyway. It actually went higher, so... At least I cut the loss. Small, very small loss. I'm going against the trend, you know. That's how we live. You know, that's how we do things. You know, living the high life. Let's go against the trend. Trend is my enemy, Kieran says. Yeah, anyway, we took out that high, so there was no... So this was not a proper reversal. So let's scratch that. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. We tried, but luckily we got out in one piece. Small paper cut there on that trade. No big issue. How far is it gonna go? Randall, hello there. Yeah, it's not an easy level for sure. And look at gold. Gold's still looking to grind higher. We talked about this CB earlier. If it goes higher, we could be looking for a possible buy position. If not, you know, you never know. Moreno, hello, good morning. Sell order at 264. That's way up there, right? Okay. Let's look at the 15-minute. I mean, yeah, we have that 15-minute supply zone up there. I would say if we get above the 200 level, there's pretty much a good chance that we're going to continue to go to that supply zone. So just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. Hey Simba, Lion King, what's up? Welcome. Yeah, so price is pretty much just holding its ground here. And look at this consolidation here. Like, ugh. And this one too. Now, the next interesting thing is that this one just created another zone. So this one is actually a 5-minute demand zone right there. Okay, and the level of that zone is gonna be 121.25. All right. Yes, target today 950. Let's look for higher levels. Huh. You know what? 950. I mean, it's a good area. There is liquidity there for sure. I don't see any zone, but maybe we are. Yeah. No, nothing there. I mean, there is a 4-minute level on ES up at 69.66. Not that I'm saying we're going there. It's just an interesting level. And that is a 4-minute level right up there. So yeah, it can push it. I think so far everybody's focusing on NQ. So that's what we're gonna do as well. And until we're waiting, of course, again, let me please check the likes. Let's check the likes, everybody. How are we doing with the likes? We are at 42. Let's go. Oh my gosh, we're way behind everyone. We're at 188 viewers, which is cool. But can we get to at least like 70 or 80 or 90? I know we can. It's easy to do. Let's get to 70 or 80. Smash down, no problem, Mark. Mark, it's fine. Yo, Dominic, what's up? Welcome back. How's it going, Dominic? How's it going? $67. Yeah, it's close. Close. Oh, everything is good, Dominic. Thank you for asking. It was a family emergency. My father wasn't feeling good, so he called me that he's not feeling good, and he was on a gas station with his car. And then he called me back. I told him that if he is not good, then call an ambulance or something, but don't drive like this. And actually he called me and said that he's gonna call an ambulance. So I talked with the guy on the gas station on the phone that they're gonna drive his car into the parking lot and I can pick up the keys at the gas station. So I had to leave, but he's okay. He's fine. He's okay. Thank God. You know, he's fine. I had to pick up his car. Actually, I visited him at the hospital, but they are releasing him. They don't know what it was, but he's good. Okay, it seems like we're going back down. ES is up casual, 100 points from yesterday. Yeah, it's strange that it's going up there. And now we're getting back to this zone here on the 5 minute. I think it's going to tag it, the 121, pretty close. Maybe not, but this is the make queue point or break queue point. Like, is it going to go down and tag the zone? Because if it tags it, I can expect more continuation higher. If it's not, well, that's going to be interesting too. All right, it's going lower. Short scalping. Let's go. Let me see. There is a gap here on the 5. Yeah, we just traded through that gap, I think. So that's a 5 minute gap right there. And we still actually did not tag the 121. I can't jump into a trade until I don't see anything that has been confirmed. Farhad, hello, welcome back, Farhad. Okay, we are at 50 likes. I know we can do more. I know. What if I tell you guys, if we get more likes, we might gonna have giveaways, more giveaways this week. So tomorrow and Friday as well. How about that? I know. I think that would be great. So that's all we need. Hey, troops. It's yeah, it's afternoon, but you can say good morning. It's always good. Thanks for being here, troops. Goran, hello. ID. Yeah, everything is okay. It was just a family emergency. I took care of it. My father wasn't feeling good, and I had to take his car because he left it in a gas station. It's all right now. He's good. He's good. He was just not sure what to do, so he called me, and I left. That was it. He's good. Thank God. Thank God. Daily chart, it looks like complete mess. The daily chart. Yeah, let's check the daily. Let's check the daily. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, look at the daily chart. Look at the previous couple of days here. So terrible, guys. It's so terrible. The past couple of days, even last week, like, oh my gosh, very bad. I mean, yeah, there is some reason behind this. Like, why not just continue higher? As we are breaking that candle. What was the candle high? Right there. We're breaking the 139.50, which was last Friday high. Okay, that's great. Can we go higher? Who knows, right? It really doesn't look good. Let's all smash the likes. Yeah, I don't know. Is it gonna be today? Are we gonna have Nvidia report today? That's a good question. If my bearish bus is in play, then probably that's the point here. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Terry. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'm excited too. And I think everybody's going to be focusing on that, right? I think everyone is going to be like, wow, let's trade this. Hold on. I was just checking a video here. Hey, Gabor Dehan, hello there. Okay, so we're not moving anywhere. It's not doing anything, Nvidia. I don't know what's up with my trading view. This, hold on. Okay, never mind. All is good. Wrong button. Yeah, Nvidia is still a little bit higher. Yeah. Payout day on Lucid. Beautiful, Gabor. Let me give you a huge applause. Congratulations for the payout. Amazing. Amazing. Congrats. That is amazing. That is super duper. Gabor is a Hungarian who lives in Florida. He lives in Florida. Okay, so we NQ technically dropped. I mean, dropped? Come on. I can't speak today. NQ technically stopped. I wanted to say stopped, but I said dropped. I don't know. Oh, yeah, I know what's the problem. No coffee. Yeah. You're a German and live in Hungary. HD Photo is a Hungarian who lives in Hungary, I think, right? I don't know. I think so. HD Photo, welcome, Sia. Doing great, thank you, Mark. Köszönöm szépen, jól. Everybody got together now. Okay, now, what if this is gonna be the scalp trade to go back down? Swap some liquidity. Are we gonna go down to 21? Could be a good one for a 10-point trade. That can't hurt too much, right? All right, I jumped into a short. Just a scalp trade. So before anyone says anything, this is on an evaluation account, all right? This is only on an eval because it's a heavy position and it's a scalp trade, all right? So here's a trade. I'm kind of looking for the market to just drop down and reprice the zone. That is what I'm looking at. This is only an eval. I'm not touching my funded accounts on this. Maybe I should close 5 points, right? 5 micros here. I don't know. But this is only an eval. Don't fight with the trend. Oh yeah, Farhad. Maybe you're right. When Farhad is saying it, I know I have to take it seriously. I'm really serious. My gosh. You know what, Farhad? You scared me. So I took off 5 micro. All right. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. All right, this and this. Okay, I took off half of the position. It's fine. It's just a small scalp now. It's not a big deal. Only on an eval. Because nothing is moving, why not reprice the 5-minute demand zone, right? Ó, király Gábor, nagyon jó. Március 25. Oksi, figyelj, ír rám, kitaláljuk, valamit kitalálunk, mit szólsz hozzá? Valamit kitalálunk. Mindenképp jelez valami formába. Gabor just saying that he's going to visit Hungary at the end of March. So we might gonna drink a beer or something. Might just gonna be non-alcoholic for me, but I mean, I'd love to, but I have to drive, I guess. Or a coffee, maybe. Sit down, talk about life and trading and everything. He'll bring the Florida warmth. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. Come on, trade. Go lower, please. Please. Just a little bit more. I don't know why it's not. It doesn't really want to tag that level. Targeting 105. Okay. I just want to see this drop. That's all. If it's not dropping, that's fine too. Again, I'm all right. Whenever I'm on an evaluation account, I'm almost not really feeling too much. I mean, I'm not any stress, but like the stress level for me on an eval is definitely different than on a funded. Obviously, there's always some sort of a stress, but like, I don't know. Happy Kids Trades. I wish I could tell you, but I have no information. Nothing. Nothing. Let's smash the likes for above 200 viewers. I know we can get like 80 or 90 likes. We can do it, everybody. Let's smash it. Let's smash that like. We can do it. I know we can. I know we can. Still just hovering here, guys. Still just hovering. Oh no. It's not looking good. I'm telling you, it's not looking good. It is not looking good. Oh no. This is gonna go against me. Today I lost the flex funded. No, with 6K profit, Farhad. Man. Oh, dude. I'm sorry to hear that. 6K in profit there. Oh, Farhad, man. I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry to hear it, but I know you did it a couple of times before. I mean, not losing the account, but making those accounts and getting the profits there. Nadelko, hello. Thank you for joining the channel. Thanks for the sub. So I know you have the skill to get back to the same level and get payouts. Man, but that's all right. Run TP at 167. Let's see. Good morning, son of Wall Street. Hello. Tesla Nvidia moving down. NQ not moving with them. That could be an interesting situation. Mirovsky, I lost my fund. 6K profit. Oh, yeah. Get the profit, guys. Yeah. You know, when you can get some profit out of the account, just get it as soon as possible. And for an agent from Lucid to pick me up for 5 hours, so for agent from Lucid to pick me up for 5 hours. I mean, usually they are fast. I don't know. Maybe you have to restart the chat or something. Just an idea. But yeah. Bum. Are we gonna go lower? I wonder. Starting to wonder. There is a stream. There is a MyFundedFutures. I did see that there is no scheduled stream, but I'm sure that they're gonna put it up there. The name is ready. There is gonna be a stream. There is a stream. So I think they just forgot to put out the scheduled event. Yeah. Exactly. 2 days are gonna be Eval activated. 2 days? You gotta check on them. They opened the wrong one last night. Yeah. Maybe I think Denny is doing the Asia session streams with SK. Maybe he clicked on the wrong link. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I did so well by cutting this trade in half. But it's on an eval. I told you guys when I put on the trade, this is an eval trade. So yeah, that's it. So it's fine. It's completely okay. On Ginkgo, MyFundedFutures is ran by amateurs like Tom. Oh no. No, we're not. They're not. They're not. What? You can't say something like that. They're not. They are not amateurs. I mean, I might be an amateur sometimes, but they are not. Look at this. Are we going to go higher to 150? I think it will. I think it just might. I had 2 accounts with a Lucid Flex and appears me as violated, even though that's interesting. Mircea, definitely need to contact support there. Lost over. Did you have, maybe you left an order opened up? You know, who knows? You never know. Maybe you left an order opened. Kirk, hello, Kirktown, what's up? Sorry, Kirktownsend. All right. There's someone named Kirktown, and there's someone like you named Kirktownsend. I'm up, yes. I know you need to tease. I mean, I need to tease. You need to tease. I'm always up. I'm the last guru standing. Both are you? Okay, yeah, all right. I always forget. We have so many names. Yeah, I also triple check to see if there's any open orders across any accounts. Yeah, it could be. Sell-off could be possible. Could be possible. I'm also watching gold on my other screen here. I can imagine that gold might try to pop higher here. Maybe I'm even going to take a trade on it. Who knows? But seems interesting. You know. quintuple check. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. True, true. I'm kind of watching this drop as well on NQ because it kind of seems like it might want to go again. But I don't think I'm going to risk it. I don't think I'm going to risk it one more time. Express and standard, not much basically. I really don't want to say anything like because there's nothing bad, but the only thing is that the minimum trading days so far. Nemesis. Or sorry, Nemesis. I'm going to say Freddy. So Freddy, the thing is, the minimum trading days is 4 days on the Express and 7 on the Standard. I have zero issue with the 7 days at all. So I tried to search for some main different things, but nothing. Only the minimum trading days. So Standard account is still good. Oh, yeah, and the buy one get one for free is still on until Saturday, so until the end of the month at Funded Futures Network. So get the free account if you'd like to. The details are there in the link. And the shameless plug, of course, if you would like to help out the channel and support the channel and support me being here full-time on YouTube. Without the affiliate commissions, it would be definitely more difficult. So I don't have a McLaren in the background or a Porsche, but if you use my code, which is up there, TOMSABO, it works for all these prop firms. And because you guys used my code, I have 2 free 50K accounts from Take Profit Trader for giveaway, which is going to happen, I think, on Friday. So I'm going to give away 2 Take Profit Trader accounts. If you guys can push it a little bit more with TRADEIFY, we're going to get some codes as well. With MyFundedFutures, I'm going to have some more giveaways too, hopefully on Friday, I hope. If not, then on Monday. So thank you for the support. If you use my code, I appreciate it. I always did. And it definitely helps a lot. So I'm going to do giveaways Friday, Monday. Hold on. Let's just do this. Friday and Monday are going to be giveaways for sure. I promise you guys. All right. Definitely. Take Profit Trader 50K accounts, at least 2. I'm going to do MyFundedFutures giveaway. Maybe there's going to be some cash prize as well. If you would like to go with TRADEIFY, use the code. Maybe I'm going to get some more. I'll try to get some codes from Funded Futures Network too, and the others as well. But anyway, thank you so much for the support. I'm definitely going to hold some giveaways Friday, Monday, maybe Tuesday even. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and be here. It's going to be awesome. Giveaways. We love giveaway. And yeah, maybe Lucid. Hold on. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna have Lucid codes as well. So I'll try. I send them a message today. After the market close, I'm gonna send them a message because last time they gave flex accounts, And maybe we're gonna have those as well. Is my dad? Can you tell? Yeah, sure. If you have gotten a payout, yes, I got 5 payouts from Funded Futures Network. 5 payouts. I'm telling this as your dad. Yeah, definitely open up a ticket with Lucid. They're gonna look into it for sure. Support was really good always. That the scalper is Funded Futures Network. If you scroll higher, yeah, that's Funded Futures Network. So if you scroll higher in the chat, let me just paste it to you again. I know I have it somewhere here. Where is it? It says free account. Oh, there it is. So if you guys want the free, oh my gosh, that's not it. Anyway, give me a second. Give me a second. Oh, come on. Which is that? Hold on. Hold on. So here's everything that you need to know about the buy one get one for free promo. Yes, I think after $5,000 you go live. Oh, sorry, the image might not be the freshest because that's the previous image, but please read the text because it's valid until... Oh, this is still the old one. Hold on. Hold on, this is still the old one. My mistake. I spammed you guys with the wrong link. Wrong link. But the thing is the same. I just want to paste you guys the proper link. Hold on. That's the wrong one. Until we're waiting, because we're just still waiting. Okay, let me get the right one. How could I mess this up so much? Let's see. Okay, I have the correct one. I have the correct one. How could I... How could I mess this one up? Okay, I have the correct link, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna spam you guys again. This one is the current. Buy one, get one free. This one is the correct link. Yeah. Sorry. This is the correct one. Open up this one. This is the correct one. It's valid until February 18th. So all the details are there. Please read the, check out the images. Check the images. All your questions are going to be answered how you can get the free account. All right. So read everything. Everything is there. Everything is answered for the free account. You'll get it instantly, technically. Okay. On top says so I cancel the lecture. Oh. Hold on. I'm kind of waiting for something here. All right. It's fine. I think gold is also wanting to move higher. I was just checking gold. Look at that. We might gonna get the rooster situation real quick here. I told you. That was the rooster right there. On gold. Mark, good morning. Yeah. Well, Chirka is almost rooster, but it's not really. We say kokosh, but it's hard to pronounce, I think, for you. Like you want to say kaka, but almost like that. Very close. All right, NQ is not moving, everyone. It's just not doing the thing. I don't know. Oh my gosh, this price action is like watching paint dry. It really is. The best trade copier? Well, hard to say, you know, the best trade copier. I tried Quantower. It's working fairly good. I like it. I tried Replicanto as well on NinjaTrader. No problem with that too. You know, there are many kind of copiers. You know, there are the cloud-based trade copier services, right? With the cloud-based services, you got to be a little bit careful. Got to make sure you open up those connections on another computer or a laptop, whatever, because when the cloud-based copier goes down or there's something going wrong, you don't really have like something getting messed up. You don't really have the access to correct the mistake. I did hear that some cloud based copy services created some ghost trades or ghost orders on your account. I don't know why could that be, but and some people told me that it's always better to use a trade copier which runs on your desktop and not cloud based, because if it's cloud based, it could be, you know, somebody could hack your password, ID, whatever, account IDs, everything is exposed to that cloud service basically. But you know, everybody has a different opinion on this, I guess. Well, if you believe in ghosts, then no problem there. Is the 10K max payout per account per user? I think it's per user, but then, you know, if you being moved to live and then you blow up your live account, the only question, I think there is a very small cooldown period. I don't know, like a month or 2 weeks, something like that. I have to check it. And then you can start all over again once you've been moved to live. Hold on. I might be wrong. Dude, is that per account or user? Because per user, that would be very small. Man, I have to triple check it. I do have to triple check that. Oh my God, I'm gonna write that down, you know? So let me take that back and let me write it down because I need to make sure. MyFundedFutures network max payout per user per account. I'm gonna ask it later. Gotta make sure. No. I think I was saying the wrong answer here. Let me check something. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. All right. I asked the question. I just asked support about this. Hopefully they have something for us. What a slow price action here. We're gonna have the comics open in 3 minutes. NQ is just absolutely trash. Absolutely trashy. No, nothing. Loving nature guy. No data. No news. Okay. That's a good information. Thank you. Thank you so much. So here's the information that I got right now from Funded Futures Network about the payout. If you guys are interested. So why is it you only read one of what? I'm sorry, I was typing questions here. Look at that. I was doing this for you, Kirk. So read what it says. I just tried to get some examples. Funded Futures Network, how many payouts you can have. Angyo, hello. So you can get 50K payout if you want. 10K per payout. So I'm guessing, according to this, that you can have as many payouts as you want. I don't know. So anyway. line Q is not moving at all. I don't know, Kirk. I'm gonna try to ask it, but not in this stream. I will ask it for next time. I will go and ask them. Dun, 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 dun. I'm trying my best, Kirk. I'm multitasking here. I'm multitasking, Kirk. I'm trying to watch the price as well. I'm looking at an indicator. I was testing a message on my phone. I was texting with the support. It's almost 5 minutes to 7:30. I have to prepare some things. I try to do my best. Are you really gonna find another? I'm not even a guru. I'm your father, man. I have a short limit at 25,150. 25,150. It looks okay. Could go. Yeah, look at this bounce. King Trading, hello. What's up? What is up? What is up? Dun, dun, dun. Nothing much. Having a good day. Let's go. I like to hear that. That's the spirit. That's how it's done. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to cut it here because I'm not going to take any more trades. I really don't. So, seem like gold is kind of going higher here. So, let's see. I'm not taking trades. I'm not taking, but this is like, crappy. So, don't flashing faster. Yeah. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV in 33 minutes or so. See you guys there. I'll be back tomorrow for real this time. Hopefully, I mean, there's going to be nothing coming up. Tomorrow, London and New York. And, you know, the schedule continues. Let's go on, Ginka. Still tight range. Yeah, it is. Thank you so much, everybody. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. It's just giving you the best available discounts. Also at MyFundedFutures, if you would like to grab a Rapid Flex or a Pro account, the TOMSABO code will gonna give you the best available discount. It's up there in the banner. It works everywhere. Thank you so much for the support and everything. You guys are amazing, and I do appreciate every help. Thank you. See you guys later, I guess, and tomorrow. God bless you all. Cheers, everybody.